guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT irritating error ops and error occurred operation timeout. So this error will show you for several reasons, like when you are logging or when you are trying to generate image or when you are trying to send any prompt to ChatGPT. These are the reason behind this error. So personally I am facing this error when I am trying to log in into the ChatGPT. Okay, so don't worry, in this video I will explain exact why this happened and how to fix this quickly, step by step, easy solution. So let's see. This error usually pop-ups when your browser or network is unstable to establish a proper connection with the ChatGPT server. It's especially common when you have a slow or unstable connection, ChatGPT server are overloaded or temporarily down, your browser has corrupted cookies or caches data, you are using a VPN or firewall that was blocking your login request, or you are trying to log in with unsupported browser or outdated version. So these are the main reason behind this error. So based on my experience, this error usually happen when I am trying to log in the ChatGPT, or when the login page keeps loading but does not respond. Let's see how to fix this. So first try to refresh your page continuously 4 to 5 times. It will fix your problem. Now you need to check your internet connection, how your internet connection is working. If the connection is weak, just fix the internet problem and try to log in into your ChatGPT account. It will fix your problem. If you are using the ChatGPT on Google Chrome browser, try using the ChatGPT on different web browser like Microsoft Edge. If the problem was not fixing, now you need to clear your browsing data. Go to your browser settings, go to privacy and security, delete browsing data, go to advanced. You need to select caches and cookies, time range, all time, and then delete this. Okay, now close this and restart your computer one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem. Now also you can try to use the ChatGPT in the incognito mode. Open your browser, go to new incognito mode and search ChatGPT and use it here. Or if you want to log in, just click on login button and log in your ChatGPT. So sometime you need to disable the VPN if you are using any VPN or using the Windows Defender. I am using Windows 11, so there is a built-in firewall. Go to the settings, go to privacy and security, go to Windows security, open virus and threat protection from here and search the manage settings option and disable the real-time protection. Afterwards it will fix your problem. If none of the above work, it could be and ChatGPT and server might be temporary. ChatGPT server was down due to high traffic, so wait for a few minutes and then try to use ChatGPT. It will fix your problem. So those are the top method to fix this irritating error. If this video helped you out, make sure like, subscribe and drop a comment below telling me which fix work for you. See you in the next one. Thank you.